Okay, so the first scent I have is Rory. I can't say that right. I've never been able to pronounce R's. Had to go to speech to try to say R's, but yeah, that's that. Okay, persimmon, iced cookies, strawberry, and breakfast pastry. So I had a persimmon saltwater taffy from Super Tarts at some point, and it was amazing. This one has that same persimmon, and persimmon to me is like a really, it's like a fruity, bright scent. It definitely has a distinct smell to it. This is like a bright strawberry. It's not her weird strawberry, I don't feel like, and then you get a bit of the bakery element. It's nice and bright, fruity, but with bakery. I don't know why my voice just decided to, my voice always decides to like, I need to like do warm-ups like singers do. This is mixed also. I think I have like 3 orders here from different various, probably ready to ship, probably a few pre-orders, and I can't remember. I'm not going to try to either. Street Rat is fresh linen, mandarin oranges, warm sand, fresh ozone. I did a warm review on this one, so I think it was a couple of warm melts back. I really like this one. I feel like this one probably has maybe a, you know, this might be, I feel like it smells kind of like clean cotton, but also sun washed linen as well. It's got a warm element to it, I think, from the sand. Sorry about that. Got a spam call. Love those. Anyways, what I was saying is this one is a laundry, but with a warm element to it. Like that warm sand really comes into play. I really like this one. This one is pretty. It's not my favorite laundry, but I do like it. Pop-ins I've had before. This is soft laundry, orange, pear, jasmine, chiffon, musk, vanilla, orchid. This one I believe is white clouds, and I think it's white clouds. And then it's got that like really soft orange scent to me. And just a really pretty like floral undertone. I've warmed this one before and I loved it on warm, so I remember grabbing that one. Fake and Bake and Grey's Anatomy. This was one of her special blends, I believe. This is zucchini bread, sugar cookies, sweet cream, coffee, pecan pie, vanilla ice cream. This one I knew I had to have because Fake and Bake goes really good, as well as pita. Goes really good with coffee scents. Coffee scents in general go really good with bakery, I feel like. This one is good. It's got the perfect amount of Fake and Bake and Grey's. Yeah, I like that one a lot. I wish I picked up 2, but I kind of wish I picked up maybe like a Bam bag in it or something. Logan is a new one to me. This is cologne, amber, clove, and driftwood. I was a little scared of this one, but I've been trying to get some more manly scents. My husband really likes the manly scents, especially like for the bedroom. He's always like, can you man it up in here? So this one is, it's nice. You definitely smell the clove. Oh, my voice is going wonky. Okay, you can definitely smell the clove. And I feel like, I don't know, I just smell clove and like cologne. Maybe a slight hint of driftwood. That one is good. It's not overly strong for a cologne scent, so I feel like you would like that one if you didn't like a super strong cologne, but you wanted a manly scent. The clove isn't bad either, but it's on cold, so. The next one I have is Amy. This is plum, coconut, and sugar cookies. This is one that I've tried before, and I didn't love it because I didn't love her sugar cookie scent, but I'm kind of coming, and I didn't like plum either, but I'm kind of coming around to those now. Oh, this one smells really good. I love her plum now. Like, I used to hate plum, and now I'm really liking it. Just a nice soft sugar cookie with that as well. Love that one. These have been sitting, oh, I also filmed this before. I filmed this haul before, and then for some reason I didn't like record the last clip, so I had like half of a video, so I was like, oh man. Half Elven is green tea, goat's milk, and honey. This one was one that I wanted to try. I was thinking it was gonna smell like Burt's Bees, the baby buttermilk scent. I thought maybe it might be kind of like that, but this is very strong honey. It's really strong honey. If you've had from like a vendor, a soap maker, like their goat's milk and honey, I feel like it would smell very similar to this. Not getting any green tea really. This is very heavy honey. I would say it's almost like a floral honey. So I feel like this is going to be really strong. If you don't like honey, you probably wouldn't like that one. So let me do this one because I've got both of them right here. I had to grab Flying Monkey. Susan Fitzpatrick, she has a YouTube channel over here on YouTube. She does wax stuff too. She had talked about this one time. I'm like, you know what? I should try that because she really, really liked it. So Susan, if you happen to be watching this, thank you for recommending this on your channel because I have fallen in love with it. This is Aveda and cotton candy and rain. So those notes up there, coriander, eucalyptus, lavender, sweet orange, ylang ylang, I believe that's the Aveda portion. And then you have the rain and the spun sugar, which is cotton candy. This one reminds me a lot of, it's kind of the same concept as Insidious, like putting that one singular note with cotton candy and rain. Although I think Insidious is, I'm trying to remember what Insidious is. It has like that, oh gosh, I can't remember what's in it right now. It kind of has like that manly note and then it's sweetened by the cotton candy. I can't remember what's in Insidious right now. Is it vetiver? I don't remember. This is the same concept. It's kind of like taking that herbal scent and then putting it with cotton candy and just a little bit of that rain. This one is really good if you like those types of scents. So there is that. I grabbed 2. I have another Fake and Bake Grey's Anatomy. I knew I grabbed 2, but I still wish I'd gotten a BAM bag because I can see using that. Hell, I believe I picked up from the ready to ship. This is mint, lime, sugarcane, seagrass, and sparkling pomelo. I think that's how you say that. This one was one of those that I just saw and I was like, you know what, that sounds kind of good. I do like lime scents and I do like mint. This one is pretty good. It's not, I don't know that I'm gonna love it, but I don't hate it. It's a very sweet mint, sweet lime. I don't really know that I smell seagrass. It's more lime and mint and sugar, a little bit of sugar. Okay, I also grabbed Espresso Yourself, and this is whipped espresso and cream soda. Now this one I just picked up because I was like, that sounds interesting with the cream soda. So I grabbed it. This one has, it's like her signature coffee scent that you smell in a lot of her coffee blends. And then it's just kind of taken down a notch by the whipped part, which I'm guessing she probably maybe put some whipped cream in here or whatever. Not getting a strong cream soda, but I guess cream soda would probably just sweeten it anyways. Not sure. Okay, the next one is Your Highness, and you are Highness? No, it's supposed to be Your Highness. Okay, I think that's a spelling error there. Anyways, cannabis flower, sandalwood, vanilla bean, berries, and orange. I think my friend Candy pointed that out to me. That's why I was like reading it. I'm like, wait a second. This one smells really good. This is like kind of my wild card pick. This one reminds me of like, it's feminine, but it's got that definite like, and it's not weed smelling. It's got like earthy. It's like almost like a hippie chick got kind of reformed into a princess, because you can kind of, it's kind of like a pretty earthy scent. It's not like patchouli or, I don't really know, like, you know how you could walk in, like if somebody's burning one of those, what are those sticks called that you light up and you blow out and they just, it kind of has that scent to it, but it's kind of pretty. Like it's mixed with pretty stuff, so it kind of makes it a little bit different. I like that one. I actually really like that one. I'm glad I took a chance. I can never pronounce this one, but I think this is the White Witch from Lord of the Rings, which I love. Sea salt, wood, cane sugar, sage, and Sorrento lemons. I remember I had this before and I just didn't love it, and now I have it and I'm like, why? It's so pretty. It's just like a sweet, and I don't really know what I'm getting out of here. It just, like, I'm not, none of these are like offensive. I remember warming this before, and I thought the sage had ruined it. Like, I thought the sage was just too much. It's so weird how this is so sweet. I don't know what she did with this one, but this one's really pretty. Actually, kind of like the White Witch herself. Next one I have is gray. This is cologne, new car smell, and honeysuckle. I'm not, I took a chance on this one. I don't know what I was thinking with new car smell. Because a joke when I was younger was every time we got a new car, everyone was like, well, when is Kim going to get sick in the car? Because new car smell just, oh man, I could not. I was like, somebody open a window, either that or pass me back the barf bag because I'm going to be sick. Like, so I hope this doesn't, I hope this doesn't elicit bad responses. But this one does smell like a new car. I kind of smell a little bit of honeysuckle. It's more new car than cologne smelling to me, which I was hoping that wasn't the case, but I don't know. Maybe the husband will like it. I don't know. C3PO is one that I've been wanting. This is honey, toffee, brown sugar cookies. I feel like no one ever buys this one. I feel like people kind of sit on this one, and I just think it's really good. It kind of reminds me of Honey, I Washed the Kids from Lush mixed with bakery. I think it smells really good. Nobody ever seems to want it though, so I don't know. Don't forget some of these kids. The next one I have is Sugar Biscuit, which I'm really kind of on the fence about. Cotton candy, buttercream, whipped cream, vanilla bean biscuits. I feel like this is more of like a blender type scent. I'm not really smelling anything like dramatic coming out of here. It smells like, it's like a really sweet scent, but I'm not really getting, maybe like a slight bready, but not really. Let me see, let me take it out of the clamshell and see if I can smell anything on the bottom. Yeah, it's just, I mean, with all those scents that are like kind of blender scents, buttercream, whipped cream, cotton candy, I mean, that's kind of what you would expect, right? Like more of a blender scent. So I can see mixing this with like a coffee or, you know, maybe something you want to kind of bakery up a little bit or dumb down a little bit, or not dumb down, but maybe kind of mellow out. Doctor Who is red rooibos tea, shortbread cookies, and vanilla custard. This is one that I've had before. I didn't like it. I've been trying new things. Scents that I didn't previously like. This one is actually smells really good. You get a nice cookie scent. That vanilla custard comes through and makes the tea scent softer. You do get a slight tea scent, but it is not strong at all. It's really well blended in there, so. I'm not really doing this very neat or even, just kind of all over. Okay, the next one I have is Cedric, and this is banana whipped cream, pie crust, almond macaroons, and kettle corn. This is Hufflepuff mixed with almond macaroons and kettle corn. I've liked this one before. This one is a nice scent between like the sweet of Hufflepuff and then the saltiness of kettle corn. It's like kind of like a yin and yang type thing. Really like this one. I remember warming this before and really liking it. Okay, just a couple more things here. So I have Draco, which I've been dying to get my hands on again. This is Lordimus Roll Type from Lush. It's bedtime bath and clementine peels, I think if I remember correctly. Super cute donuts. Love that. I love this because I don't love Lordimus Roll on its own, but when it's blended with the bedtime bath and the clementine peels, to me it just gives it more of like, you really kind of get like the orange, a little bit of the Lordimus Roll. I'm smelling a lot of the orange, which is weird because normally I smell more of like the bedtime bath. It's just pretty. It goes well together. I like this one. It's so weird how you smell something one time and then you smell it again and it smells completely different, but I really like that one. I had to grab some Chrissys Remains. This is one of my favorite scents. This is Jaws and either cotton candy or cotton candy frosting. I can't remember. So it's our classic Jaws scent sweetened up with the cotton candy. I just love this scent. The Jaws mixed with the cotton candy is just really, really good. It just gives it a little bit of sweetness factor. So if you like Jaws and you like a sweet scent, like it's the same with like Ellen, Chrissys Remains. What's the other one that I really like? Oh, I like her rosemary mint one. I think it's Amity Island. That one's really good as well. We're almost done here. This one is That's My Jam, and I think Brady came up with this one, so that's really cool. This is rose jelly, pink sugar, and pound cake. This one is really pretty. I don't usually love rose jam on its own. I think it's Lush Rose Jam is what this is, and then pink sugar and pound cake. This one, it has a nice little bakery added to it, and I'm horrible at picking out pink sugar. I can smell it if I have a bunch of pink sugar blends all at once, but if I have to pick it out of a clamshell or pick it out of a blend, I'm like, I can't smell it. I'm not the biggest fan of pink sugar either, but this one smells good. All right, and I think that is my last one besides this one. This is the wardrobe, and I don't have scent notes for this one. This one is, I think, a lavender laundry type blend. It's got a lot of notes in it. Oh, I feel like it has citrus in it. I'm definitely smelling citrus, like laundry. This one was really pretty. I do remember warming it before I got it in a cookie. I'm sorry I don't have scent notes. I'll try to put them in the description box for you guys so I need to write them down myself. But look how cute that cookie is. So I did like the wardrobe. Can't remember. I actually know the lavender linen I think is Sam. I think that's Sam the Slayer. Wardrobe is something different, but I think it has some sort of citrus. So lemongrab is one of the samples I got. And I actually really liked this one. No. Okay, this one I don't like. So I thought I liked this one. This one is very much like a lemon candy. What were those lemon candies called that were really sour? I can't think of it. That's exactly what it smells like, that lemon candy. If it was more lemonade, I'd probably love it. Sabrina and Rory. So this was the persimmon, strawberry pastry, breakfast pastry, whatever else. And then Sabrina, I think it has some sort of watermelon. I don't love this. I don't love the mix. I like the Rory better on its own. And then Morning Monster, which I think is coffee, cheesecake, and butterbrickle. Yeah, I do like Morning Monster. I've had this one before. Really, really good for a coffee scent. Okay, I think that is everything. Let me just double check. There's a lot of peanuts in here. I should probably save these peanuts. I know I'm going to need them for shipping something later. Okay, so that was it. Sorry about the weird long intro. I just felt like I needed to get that off my chest. And yeah, hopefully I hope to film a few videos today so I can have some uploads and kind of just like, you know, get into a new routine, try to balance things out. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have ordered from SuperTarts, let me know what scents you're loving. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.